Hello everyone, hi Scorpio, welcome back to our channel. So this is the January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest guys. So let's see, energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. So what's going on, Scorpio? So if you are getting any noise from in my video, please don't mind because here's some work is going there behind our house. That's why there is some noise. Please. Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. Wow. Three of Wands. I think you turn your back from your person. Maybe this could be long distance relationship, some traveling involved in this connection. Yeah, you turn your back from your person and waiting for your person for something, for someone, or if you turn your back and thinking about them a lot. Yeah, I think you are waiting for to take action. I think you are waiting for your person to take first move towards you, what I'm getting here. So let's see your recent past. Empress, Two of Swords, Ace of Cups. Definitely you are at some crossroads. In past, maybe you don't know which decision you have to make. Definitely there is a lot of confusion in past. I think you choose yourself, what I'm getting here. The Empress with Ace of Cups. For some, definitely there is love coming towards you in recent past. Definitely they approached you. If you are single, what I'm getting here, because you stand by your power, definitely someone is approached you in recent past. Now what is coming, what is going right now? Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, High Priestess. Definitely someone is coming back to you if you are in relationship or if you are in separation with your person. Definitely from past person coming back to you. If you are in not separation, definitely your person want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles with Knight of Pentacles. This offer is sincere offer and they are sincere and it is stable offer. And High Priestess, definitely they are listening. I think it's you listening to your inner voice. Yeah, because your higher guides with you. Definitely you are listening to your higher self, what I'm getting here. And in near future, Six of Cups, Ace of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. Definitely they want reconciliation. I think your person is coming back to you, is in very slow moving energy. They want reconciliation with you and you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and they want passionate new beginnings with your Ace of Wands. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning out in your favor, Scorpio. So what I'm getting here, I think your person may be sincere this time, but you are not rushing to take decision because you are listening to inner voice. You are taking your time, what I'm getting here, because you stand by your power. Maybe you are getting financial stability. You started something new in your life. You are creating more money. You started a new business in your life recently. Maybe something you started newly in your life. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see your person current feelings. Scorpio first. Yeah, Ace of Wands, two time. Definitely they really passionate about you. King of Wands, your person also very, I think they also stand by their power. Ten of Swords, if you are in separation, they want rebirth in this connection. They want you back again in their life. Ace of Wands, definitely there is a lot of passion between both of you, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. Under the deck, the Fool, definitely they want brand new beginnings with you, Scorpio. So let's see the near future actions towards you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Again the Fool. Wow. Wow. Yeah, see under the deck, 8 of Wands, lot of communication, back and forth communication. The Magician, yeah, they're manifesting you back in their life. And the Fool with 10 of Pentacles, this time they want to offer stability. I think they're ready to offer stability. They want to take action towards you. Stability coming in, and they want brand new beginnings. If you let them in, definitely there is a brand new beginnings between both of you. They're manifesting you. Yeah, they're manifesting you. They're in this energy. I think very few you person may be manipulator player also. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Maybe your person player, but they fell in love with you. Wow, there is a lot of love. Under the deck, the world. Definitely, this could be long distance relationship. For some, the same cycle is repeating again and again between you and your person. They want reconciliation for sure. Scorpio, 6 of Pentacles with Ace of Cups. Definitely, they have strong emotions for you, and they want to offer equal give and take. There is love. Definitely, your person loves you. And if you are in relationship with your person right now, they want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. Your person really loves you, definitely. Yeah, under the deck, the Lovers. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. Yeah, the positive outcome, the Sun is here, Queen of Pentacles. I think the Scorpio, you are very sharing and caring person and very giving person. That's why your person is coming back again. They want you back in your life. In their life. And Ace of Cups with 6 of Pentacles, they're ready to offer equal give and take. Definitely for some, definitely there will be reconciliation because the Sun is a positive major arcana in the deck. And Queen of Pentacles, I think you also want reconciliation for some. Yeah, they're coming back. I think for some there will be reconciliation and this relationship is going to be next level. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Scorpio. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Again the Lovers. Gemini. 10 of Cups. 9 of Cups. Wow, 2 of Cups. You both are soulmates. Definitely there is strong soulmate connection between both of you. And this connection has potential also because yeah, in every relationship there will be some misunderstandings, but here love is also there. Definitely there will be reconciliation because 6 of Cups, Ace of Cups, 6 of Pentacles. Your person ready to adjust. They're ready to compromise. What I'm getting here, they're ready to fix the things between both of you. Yeah, 9 of Cups, I think it's you. Your wishes are going to be granted. If your person want you back, definitely they're coming back. 10 of Cups, you will get this happiness. Wow, I think you will get what you want in your life right now, Scorpio. This is the best time because 10 of Cups means 9 of Cups. Definitely you will get this happiness. And the Lovers. Definitely the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. And there is love and intimacy between both of you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. King of Swords, Queen of Pentacles 2 times, Princess of Wands, 2 of Wands. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. This could be long distance relationship. And Page of Wands, Princess of Wands. Yeah, they want to send message you. They want to communicate you. I think one person in this connection is very good looking. One person may be younger than the other person. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to share their life with you. They want to share their love. And Queen of Swords, I think they want to be honest with you. They want to, I think this time your person want to express their true feelings to you, what I'm getting here. Because King of Swords, Queen of Swords is also very straightforward in nature. Yeah, they want to express their true feelings. They really love you. Love is there. And they're ready to compromise, what I'm getting here. They're ready to offer equal give and take. And they want brand new beginnings, stability. Wow. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your dreams need a practical plan. So if you're dreaming about something, your dream life or dream job or dream relationship, but you need a practical plan. Okay, so yeah, definitely if you want to achieve anything in your life, you have to be a practical plan. There is need to be a practical plan. Yeah, your dreams will be true, will become true, but you need a practical plan. And this is a message from universe. So don't get disappointed. Definitely, if you execute a practical plan, definitely there will be your dreams will be true. Yeah, your dreams will become true. So make a plan and execute it. So this is the message for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.